Alright YouTube, I gotta apologize. I did say it was going to be somewhat easy to do the Sequoia, even I told you it was harder. Part 2 of this, I did my 2010 Sienna. I will tell you, this is the actual replacement of the rubber pad. I just put it on, as you can see, just screwed it in. This one was really bad, as you can see. It was all over the place. Cleaned it up as best as we could. Goof off works good. It'll clean up all the residue and stuff like that you leave on the car, so you clean that right off. So yeah, go spraying a can of goof off. But yeah, now I've got to put this on, and yes, we did have to take the door panel off from the inside. I just advise caution when you do that. You know, get like a putty knife, or even a butter knife actually works too if you don't have one. A putty knife or something, actually wedge it and just pull very easily when you pry those clips off, not to break them. And then the whole window actually slides right up when you take it out. When you slide it up, it'll take right off the inside. And so I'll show you that real quick. Yeah. So yeah, so you can see it slides right up. You undo these two pieces on either side, right here. Take the other one off. That pops off. This one you can just leave on dangling, kind of. You can just, because it's got the suspension mount right there. But yeah, this lifts right off. And once you pop all these clips, then you just pull it straight up, and it comes off this lip. And you'll do the same. And then to get in there, you just pull this plastic back, and you take the 2 screws out that you see right there, and that actually unloads that plate. And I'll be honest with you, it was a lot different angle than what I had on my minivan for the Sequoia. So it just makes it a little easier just to go ahead and do that and undo that, and then lift that plate up. And then you can take the plate off, which I've got down here, right here. And so clean that all up, the head gook inside of it. And I'll put those 2 pieces together. They just snap on together. They have little clips. You just pop that outside piece right here with a little screwdriver. You pry it out on either side just a little bit, and then wiggle it and pop right off from that piece that's got the wire attached to it. So we get ready to put it back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you. Alright, so I'm putting this back on, but I just wanted to show you real quick. So all these clips actually pop off, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 around this side too. And so be careful when you're pulling these off, like this one right here. I'm actually going to take out and pop him back and slide him back in here, and then push him back in. That way he actually holds real good. And then make sure you snap these pieces. They have a couple of clips right here. Snap them back up in there. And then I also want to let you know, when you're taking this off, you take this. You don't really have to take this cover off right here. I thought I could access it by doing that. You can just leave it on, but you do have to take this piece off right here. And all you have to do is you basically screw that on, and it lifts up. So just take a thing and pop it right up, and it'll pop right off for you. All right, and that's it. Once you get it all back together, you should be good to go. All right, peace out.